Looking for a powerful solution to convert Outlook.com emails into standard file format and email service? If yes, download the BitRecover Outlook.com Backup Wizard software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Simple software interface is an advantages of this utility. Enter the Outlook account credentials like email address and password of view account. After that, tap on the Login button. Now, the software lists all the mailboxes from your online account. Please mark the required folder for the migration process. Go to Saving Option list. There are 30 plus saving option. Choose as per requirement. Choose PDF option from the saving option list. File naming option. Here you can choose output file naming as per need. Select destination path of the output files. Now go to filter option. Now, check the filter options provided by the software that includes advanced settings for selective backup, allowing filtering emails using a date range, from, and subject options. It also provides an option for selective export settings for email folders, which can only export sent folders. Exclude exporting email body content and attachments. User can enable the option as per the need. Now, come back to the backup window and hit the backup button to start the migration process. You can see the email message count in the software panel, and once the migration completes, the software provides a complete conversion message. Trial version. Convert only first 25 emails per folder. The tool automatically opened the resultant folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get Outlook.com emails converted into PDF files.